Hello and welcome. I want to ask you something. How are you feeling right now? Can you say it in English? Exactly how you feel? For many beginners, expressing feelings is the hardest thing. You feel something deeply, but you do not have the words. Today that changes. In this 25-minute lesson, I will teach you 100 emotion and feeling words in English. From simple words like happy and sad, to deeper words like overwhelmed, heartbroken, and relieved. I will also teach you how to ask someone how they feel, and how to comfort someone. And at the end, 5 complete conversations about feelings. Take your time. This lesson is gentle. Let's begin. Section 1. Basic emotions. Happy. This is a good feeling. I am happy. Sad. This is an unhappy feeling. I am sad. Repeat. I am sad. Angry. A strong feeling. I am angry. Repeat. I am angry. Tired. Your body or mind needs rest. I am tired. Repeat. I am tired. Excited. You are looking forward to something. I am excited. Repeat. I am excited. Scared or afraid. You feel fear. I am scared. I am afraid. Repeat. Surprised. Something unexpected happened. I am surprised. Bored. Nothing interesting is happening. I am bored. Repeat. Nervous. You are worried about something coming. I am nervous. Repeat. Worried. You are thinking about something bad that might happen. I am worried. Repeat. Now stronger versions. Instead of happy, delighted. Overjoyed. Ecstatic. Instead of sad, devastated. Heartbroken. Miserable. Instead of angry, furious. Outraged. Irritated. Instead of tired, exhausted. Drained. Worn out. Instead of excited, thrilled. Eager. I cannot wait. Instead of scared, terrified. Horrified. Anxious. Section 2. Body feelings. Physical feelings. Hungry. I am hungry. I need food. Thirsty. I am thirsty. I need water. Full. I am full. I have eaten enough. Cold. I am cold. Hot. I am hot. In pain. I am in pain. Something hurts. Sick. I am sick. I do not feel well. Dizzy. I feel dizzy. The room is spinning. Relaxed. I feel relaxed. Comfortable. At peace. Energetic. I feel very energetic today. Full of energy. Now, how to explain why you feel something. Use this formula. I feel emotion because reason. I feel happy because it is my birthday. Repeat. I feel nervous because I have an important meeting. Repeat. I feel tired because I did not sleep well. Repeat. I feel excited because my family is visiting. Repeat. I feel sad because I miss my home. Repeat. Now you can express your feelings and explain them. This is very powerful. Section 3. Asking how someone feels. How are you? How are you feeling? Are you okay? If someone looks upset, say, you look a little sad. Is everything okay? If someone needs to talk, say, do you want to talk about it? Answers to how are you? I am fine, thank you. Not too bad. I am quite tired actually. I am feeling a bit down today. I am great, thank you. Section 4. Comforting someone. Do not worry. It will be okay. I understand how you feel. Repeat. I am here for you. Repeat. You are not alone. Repeat. I am sorry to hear that. Repeat. You can do it. I believe in you. Repeat. These phrases can change someone's day. Please use them. Now, positive emotions. I love you. I really care about you. I miss you. You mean a lot to me. I am proud of you. I am so proud of myself. What an achievement. I feel grateful. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I feel content. I feel at peace. I feel calm. Now, some harder emotions. These are real feelings. I feel lonely. I miss my family. I feel homesick. I am very stressed. I feel overwhelmed. I need a break. I am disappointed. Never mind, next time. I feel embarrassed. Please don't laugh. It was an honest mistake. And for learning English, I sometimes feel frustrated. But I do not give up. I am proud of how far I have come. 5 complete conversations about feelings. Listen. Then repeat. Conversation 1. How are you today? Person A, hi. How are you today? Person B, honestly? I am feeling a bit down. I am just tired and a little homesick. Person A, I understand. That is really hard. Is there anything I can do? Person B, no, thank you. It is kind of you to ask. Repeat. Person B. I am feeling a bit down. I am just tired and a little homesick. No, thank you. It is kind of you to ask. Conversation 2. Sharing good news. Person A, guess what? I got the job. I am absolutely delighted. I cannot believe it. I am so relieved. Person B, oh, that is wonderful. I am so happy for you. You deserve it. Repeat. Person A. I got the job. I am absolutely delighted. I cannot believe it. I am so relieved. Conversation 3. Comforting a friend. Person A, you look sad. Is everything okay? Person B, not really. I feel terrible. I had an argument with my sister. Person A, I am sorry to hear that. Don't worry. These things happen. I am sure she is not really angry. Person B, I hope so. Thank you for listening. Conversation 4. Feelings about learning English. Person A, how is your English going? Person B, sometimes I feel frustrated because I make mistakes. But I am also very proud. And I feel excited about how good my English will be. Repeat. Person B. Sometimes I feel frustrated. But I am very proud. And I feel excited. Conversation 5. Nervous about an interview. Person A, you seem nervous. Person B, I have a job interview in 1 hour. I am terrified. What if I make mistakes? Person A, don't be nervous. I believe in you. Just be yourself. Person B, thank you. That makes me feel so much better. Practice time. Challenge 1. How are you feeling right now? Say it out loud. I am feeling, emotion, because, reason. Challenge 2. Comfort someone who says, I am very worried about my family. You say, I am sorry to hear that. Don't worry. I am here if you need me. Write in the comments how you are feeling right now. Any feeling. In English. I will respond to every single one. Next video, Health and Body English. How to describe pain. How to talk to a doctor. Body part vocabulary. And everything you need when you are not feeling well. Subscribe now. See you on next video. Goodbye.